0.6 model direct variation.
Are we gonna have a test?
People don't stop talking, we're gonna have a quiz.
Yeah. What?
Starting class should be Dylan, Christian, Jack, Tyler, Brayden.
You said Dylan was gonna be starting.
Have you never met Dylan, buddy? Have you never seen Dylan?
No. He hasn't been to practice yet.
Yeah, because he just got talked into playing.
Last week.
Last year, he scored more points on JV than Zach.
Okay.
Coach, why did you get up?
Care.
Because that's what stuff on that day. Is water. Coach Hannah legit has making a vlog to Caleb. She legit, and then she has me sprinting down the court to make a layup.
It's not like you have to start the phone cross country.
It really is.
Miss Stacy, the screen's frozen.
And plus, then you run like a couple of things.
Why a couple of what?
With the cross country.
Yeah.
Bro, can y'all be quiet, please?
I was gonna say, I was just gonna keep going until everybody decided they were gonna be quiet, and then we were gonna have a quiz. Are we prepared to all be quiet now? Alright, so with direct variation, we have our direct variation equation. The properties of graphs of direct variation equations. The graph of a direct variation equation is a line through the origin. It does not have a y-intercept. And the slope of the graph of y equals ax is a. So we have two scenarios in which this can happen. If a is greater than 0, then we have this scenario here. If a is less than 0, aka it's negative, then it looks like this. Alright, so first of all, you're going to be stating if it is a direct variation equation or not. It can only be a direct variation equation if it's in the form y equals ax. It can't have plus or minus anything after that. And then if it is, we're going to state what the constant of variation is, which I abbreviate with COV. And that's whatever the value is that's in front of x. And then we'll also have some where we are graphing as well. So, number 4, we have y equals 5x minus 1. So we need to decide if this is direct variation or not. Well, this can't be because it's not just y equals ax. This is a minus 1. So this is not direct variation. I usually just use dv to abbreviate direct variation. Six, x minus 3y equals 0. So if it's not already in y equals ax, or at least y equals something, then I have to get it that way. So if I wanted to get y by itself, how would I do that?
Subtract x.
Subtract x. So I have negative 3y equals negative x. Now what?
Divide by 3.
Negative 3.
Negative 3.
So divide by negative 3. I get y equals negative and negative is positive. So this is going to be 1/3 x. So this,
You can do that.
yeah.
I mean, you can do that.
So this is in y equals ax. So this is direct variation. And my constant of variation, the COV, is the number that's in front of x, which is 1/3.
What's COV?
Constant of variation. All right, the graphs of these should be super easy since we've been obviously doing graphing. But all of these start at the origin, so 12, I've got y equals 3x. So first of all, this is direct variation. It doesn't have plus or minus anything. So it doesn't ask us for that, but just so we can talk about it as we go. So I'm going to set up my graph here. All right, so I said this doesn't have a y-intercept, which means it starts at 0. It starts at the origin. This is my slope here, so this has a slope of 3. So what does that tell me to do?
Up 3, right 1.
Yep, up 3, right 1. Now I don't want to keep making my graph bigger that way, so I can also go down 3 and back 1. And then I graph it, and I have my line. Let's see, 18. Y equals negative 3/2 x. So set up a graph. If you want to use graph paper, obviously you're welcome to, but you don't have to.
I know it.
Okay, what do I do?
Oh, so you're going to go over negative 3. Like you're going to go to the left 3.
Nope.
Yep.
It's the first thing I have to do. I don't have any points on my graph. What?
Start at 0.
Yep. There's
Yeah,
no
start at
y-intercept, so it starts at 0. Now, what does that slope tell me to do?
Up 3, left 2.
Yep, I
Negative
can either
3.
go up 3 and back 2, or the way we would normally do it is what?
Go
Down.
left.
3, right.
Down 3, right 2.
What?
It's a negative slope. Rise over run.
Are we sure that's right?
Yes.
I'm very sure. Look, if it's negative, it has to look like this.
Oh, that's right. Yep.
If it's positive, it has to look like this. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
negative.
I see
Looks
what
like
you're
that.
doing. You got me there.
20. 10y equals 25x. Is this in y equals ax?
No.
What do I need to do to get it like that then?
Basically, you're going to divide by 10.
So divide by 10. What do I get when I do that?
5 over 2.
Yep.
Here's this one.
So I get y equals 5 over 2x. Now I'm going to graph it.
You're going to start center.
I am. Look at that. You're learning. What? That's a good thing.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
Start center.
Start there. Now what?
Now you're going to go up 5 and then over to the right 2.
Yep. Up 5, right 2.
Oh, what about that?
Now what else can I do to get another point on here?
Go down 5
And down.
and then left.
Left 2.
Sean Squared's got it under control.
Sean Square?
'Cause there's 2 of them. All right.
You saw me do that?
I think we should be okay with graphing, right?
Yeah, it was pretty easy.
All right. Now we're going to be writing equations. Given that y varies directly with x, use the specified values to write a direct variation equation that relates x and y. So what they're going to do is they're going to give you an x value. So like this one is x is 2 and y is 26. Now, a direct variation equation is in the form y equals ax. Okay? But I don't know a, so I need to find a. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in these numbers for x and y and solve for a.
A is 2.
Yes. Wait,
No, it's not. X is 2. So I have 26 is equal to a times 2. Now I divide by 2. So 13 is equal to a. A lot of people stop here. You are not done. Your direct variation equation is y equals 13x. So this is what I'm looking for, is for you to write this equation.
Isn't y 26 then?
No. Well, yes, but I plugged that in.
Ah.
So you plug in the x and y that they give you to find a, and then you just literally rewrite the equation, but replacing a with whatever number you found. This is not hard, but everybody makes it complicated. Like, this is the most missed thing probably in Algebra 1 and in Algebra 2, like I would say.
What if I change that?
I hope y'all do. It's just very easy, and I think people overthink it, but it's meant to be easy.
This already looks confusing.
All right, 32. X is 15. Y is negative 5.
Why is y negative? I thought
It's just what they gave us. It's a new problem.
I thought it was 26.
New problem. All right, so y equals ax. I'm plugging these two numbers in for x and y. So I've got negative 5 equals a times 15. I need to get a by itself.
You're going to divide by 15. Right?
And when I do that, what do I get?
Get
-1/3 equals
negative 1/3 equals a.
Am I done?
equals negative
Nah.
1/3 x.
You gotta put y equals 1/3 because it just.
Negative 1/3, buddy.
Negative 1/3 times x.
But you don't know what I mean when I just say 1/3.
No.
It's
Well,
too
you would
hard
get it
saying
wrong because you wouldn't have the negative sign.
Well, yeah, I would put the negative sign, but it's too hard saying negative.
I think you would forget it because
No,
you're
no,
used to
no,
not
no.
putting it.
No, I haven't done that this year.
She woke up just in time for the quiz.
Gotcha! Good one,
X
Stacy.
equals negative 18, y equals negative 4. There still could be a quiz at the end of this section.
You know what? I got this.
Sure.
You should pay attention next time.
All right, what do I do?
Negative 4 equals a
times
times
18.
18.
Negative
Negative
18.
18.
All right, now what?
Then you're going to divide by
Negative
negative 18.
And that would be negative 1/3 again. I mean, positive 1/3 equals.
I don't think so.
That is not it, Drew. It's like positive. Hold on. 1, 2, 3.
I think I would take a 2 out of both things
5.
and get 2 over 9.
9.
Am I done?
No.
What do I do?
Equals 2/9x.
Y equals 2 over 9 times x.
I thought the 4 was
Can
the
we
same.
use a calculator on this test?
Why would we use a calculator? It's not that
No.
difficult.
You don't get a calculator
Why?
because I said so. All right, you're going to do this one on your own, and I'm going to come see if you do it right.
Who are you gonna check it?
I am. I don't know why I just froze it before I put the problem up. Y equals negative 6, or wow, disregard. X equals negative 6 and y equals 15. Can't read and write at the same time apparently. All right, so you're doing the same thing we just did in the last 3 on this one.
Wait.
Good. I'll come check it in just a second.
Stacy, I'm finished.
Good, I'll come check in a second.
This really didn't let me take my glasses off anymore.
Hey, we're in that. That's not right.
It's not fun.
That's amazing.
Who moved your desk?
I think I did that one.
So confused.
Can I get it, Clark? Yes,
About half and half got it right.
Isn't it -3/2?
Yes!
What I got the first time!
That's what I got.
I've never listened to him
That's what
ever
you had?
again. I've never-
5/2 equals A.
Negative 5/2.
Oh wait, I wasn't even done.
Dale, did you get it back?
All right, so we had 15 equals A times -6. Divide by -6. That takes a 3 out of both of those things. We get 5/2. And then y equals -5/2 x.
Did he tell you the wrong answer?
Yes! Did you do that?
No. I got it wrong too.
I was about to say.
That would have been funny if he had the right
Wait, you
answer
got
and
it
told
wrong.
you the wrong.
Huh?
I had the right answer and then
It was like half and half.
How do you like transfer like a decimal to a fraction?
I got it right.
Like I forgot how to.
I forgot.
Well, you shouldn't be using decimals.
Well, I got -2.5.
But you had to have done that by dividing. You should have left it as a fraction
Oh, so 15/6.
and then reduce it to 5/2. Take out a 3.
That's where I went.
All right, questions on this? All right, there's your problems.
I've been up since.
Oh, you
I
did
never
it. You
went
did
to
it
school.
for us. She told us what she wants to
Like-
do. That's so nice.
I've been up since yesterday.
Is it just 3 through 35?
Taylor,
No.
I've had two
nobody
long-
needs to hear your song.
3, 5, 7, 13, 15, 19, 29, 31, 33, 35.
What?
Do you want graph paper?
There's only a few graphing ones. You don't have to have it.